Yo, what's up? Patrick, MTO Productions. Let's go into the city, down, like around Nashville. And let's take a old Digicam with us.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way.
What's happening, my filmmakers and photographers? This is Patrick with MTO Productions. In my hand, I hold what I was shooting on all day yesterday. It is a Casio Exilim EX S500. It's ultra compact, which I agree. This thing is stupid little, can go any pocket, even your little girly jeans should fit. Shooting a whopping 5 megapixels. 5 megapixels. But this is using a 1/2 inch. Well, it's almost like 0.5 over a 1/2 inch CCD sensor. So ISO, well, you're not going to be shooting at night very much with this thing because the highest it goes is 400. It does drop down to 50, but goes up only to 400. Now, I did have to buy a battery charger. I'll get into that a little more. I've got 2 of the batteries that come in this camera. It uses this little bitty, skinny, cute little Casio battery. If I can get her out. Come on, come out of there. Now, I have 2 styles of this camera. I have one that it was my wife's that she took with her to Paris. And we have some pictures somewhere from that. Try to get this battery out. There's the little battery. Isn't it cute? Little bitty, skinny, little battery. But she took it with her all over Paris and shot with it. Shot mainly pictures. Okay, so focal length on this monster. Let me turn it on, I'll show you. This thing, watch out big boy. Oh. It fires up fairly fast. I wouldn't say it's a monster quick, but it is easy to hold on to. And you go from 38 millimeter to 114. f2.7 to 4.3. So low light, it does work pretty decently. Now, you have a whopping 2.2 inch screen on the back of this bad boy. Look at that, isn't it cute? Pretty sure I just took a picture. And, well, you want video? Okay, you can have video. But you're only going to get it 640 to 480 with audio, of course, mono. Let's dangle some pictures in front of you and we'll be back.
As you fade away.
So, conclusions. If you're looking for a Digicam to take older looking pictures, squared up looking pictures, right here. About 20, 25 bucks, you can have one. You get them fairly cheap. They thin pocket. I mean, there's my iPhone, there's the camera. It's way smaller than the iPhone. Let's try to put corner to corner. You can see how much smaller it is than the iPhone. But it's a good little shooting camera. I'm not going to down it. I'm not going to badmouth it. For some of you that think, well, Casio is calculators and watches. Yeah, they were pretty good at that too. But they hung in the Digicam era for quite some time. The other one I have, like I said, this one's 5. This one is 3.2. I will take it out. We'll bang it around a little bit too. But even this one is a little bit smaller than this one. I mean, we're talking minuscule difference in length, and that's about it. But they do use the same battery, so that kind of works for, you know, prosperity purposes. Does use a regular SD card, does not use CF or a micro. Uses regular SD cards. Don't get anything too fancy, it'll really booger the bitch up. And I mean that. Anything too hefty and it won't handle it. It won't even turn on right. So anyways, guys, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed the little video of this camera, a few pictures I took. It's a good little Digicam. If you can see one fairly cheap, you know, I wouldn't spend over 30 bucks for one. Get it? Because you might end up having to do what I did and get a charger for the batteries, which was 7 bucks, I think, on the Jungle site. So, yeah, well, okay. But I got a cool little pocket Digicam that I can grab some pictures with and have a lot of fun. And that's what the whole thing is. It's having a lot of fun. See you on the next one, guys. Take some pictures, shoot some video, and post it somewhere. Oh, and for that commenter that didn't like the sound or the lighting, is this better?
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you